I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Honestly, I cannot quite believe we are opening September's Lush kitchen box. Where has the year gone? Honestly, I feel like it has gone so quickly this year. It's insane. I don't know where the time has gone, but I'm so excited to dive in to the kitchen box for this month. I don't really know much about what's inside. I haven't really seen many spoilers or sneak peeks. I do try and avoid them, and I haven't really seen an awful lot, which I'm really excited about. So if you guys didn't know, I do this video every single month. Essentially, I get a Lush kitchen subscription box. I open it, we go through the products. It is a fun way to get new Lush things, to get things you can't buy in store, but also I just don't look at the menu, I don't look online, so I usually have no real idea what's inside, which I absolutely love. Also, just a bit of a clarification as well, I do order the shower box. There are 3 types of boxes you can buy now, which is really fun. One is shower, one is bath, and one is basically like an extra large, which means you get basically all products, like you get one of each product that's available. So I have the shower box. I'm so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, so let's dive on in. I absolutely love the new kitchen box packaging. I say new, they have been doing it for a few months now, where essentially I've just spilt packing peanuts everywhere. We're going to pretend like that didn't just happen. Essentially, they put a box inside of a box instead of the box being the kitchen box. Does that make sense? Anyway, so basically every single month we get a box and it looks like this. This smells good. It's spicy. It's fruity. I'm so excited. But basically the boxes look like this every month. The outer packaging is normally themed to what's inside the box, and this month it says harvested from your feedback, and I'm guessing it's going to be a very fruity kind of appley vibe. So I'm really excited to dive in. So let's open her up and see. Okay, so right on the top I can see a shower gel. This is a very interesting fragrance of choice because I feel like this is giving Christmas, but this is the Turmeric latte shower gel, and on the front it says, as the nights draw in, snuggle up with a velvety vanilla and rich milky undertones of Tonka Absolute. This looks so lovely. It looks like it's going to be a really yummy sweet foodie kind of smell. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like coconut and turmeric infusion. We've also got agave syrup, tonka, we've got benzoin, we've got vanilla, we've got cocoa powder. Let's just open her up and see what she smells like. I cannot wait. I feel like I have had something in turmeric latte before. Maybe it's the perfume I've smelled. I can't remember. Wow, wait. That smells so good. I don't ever remember being absolutely blown away by the smell of this fragrance. I feel like every time I've smelled it, I've been a bit like, it's okay. But this smells like a smell that Ryan would really enjoy. It's almost a little bit like musky, warm, foodie kind of smell. I don't want to say a masculine smell because smells are just for everyone, you know what I mean? But it's definitely more of a smell that I could see Ryan using more so than myself. That is really good. I really like that, and it looks delicious. It looks kind of like, I mean, I won't lie, the colour is questionable, do you know what I mean? But I am really excited to give this one a try. So this is the first item we have, and again, a really good sized product as well, so I love that. The next item we have is a soap. We usually get a soap in the it's got an apple in it. How fun is that? So this is the Temptation soap. Ingredients wise, we have got coconut oil, we've also got apple juice, we've got myrrh resinoid, we've got rapeseed oil, we've got cinnamon leaf oil. Wow. It's not like So White scented. It's definitely more of a fresh apple smell, but it's got that spicy undertone. It's almost like an apple cidery smell, but not alcoholic. Does that make sense? That is so good, and I love the apple slice in that. How beautiful is that? That's so lovely. I feel like it would look beautiful in like a really cute cottagey kitchen. I don't know why. Do you know what I mean? Oh, that is so nice. I'm like literally gonna dribble in a minute. That's delicious. Wowie. Okay, next up, I'm going to pick this one because I can see what it's called already. We have got a lip scrub, which if you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of the lip scrubs. This is the Toffee Apple Lip Scrub, which looks absolutely delish. I think we have had this one before, dare I say for Halloween once, or in a box maybe. I feel like this is familiar, but this one says a sweet autumn treat. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things like shea butter, jojoba oil, bergamot oil, sandalwood oil. We've also got sea salt and shea butter. I think that's pretty much it. Let's give it a smell. It's so good. That is bringing back memories. We have had this before, I swear. Also at the bottom it's pink, so it's green on top and pink at the bottom. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but that's so fun. Do I taste it? Obviously I do. Let's give it a try. Wait. That tastes... That's so nostalgic. Weirdly, that tastes exactly like, I don't know if any of you guys have these in other countries, but in the UK years ago we used to have these candy sticks, and they were kind of like white long sticks. It tastes exactly like those. That is delicious, and I fear that maybe I'm having a sense of deja vu and that I tried this before and I said the same thing. So I'm really excited about that though. I love a lip scrub, so I'm looking forward to using that one. Okay, moving on to the next item. Stop it. Stop. Oh, I am gobsmacked. Gobsmacked. We have got a sparkly pumpkin body scrub. Are you kidding? I love the smell of sparkly pumpkin. Like, it's so autumnal and nostalgic, like comforting. It's a beautiful scent. On this one it says, got places to glow, squash this sugar scrub into wet skin and brighten up with zesty juniper berry oil and lime oil. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things like caster sugar, we've got cocoa butter, we've got olive oil, we've got lime oil, grapefruit oil, juniper berry oil, we've got witch hazel, mango butter. I need to smell this right this second because honestly I'm so excited. The glitter. Can you hear Thor? He's scratching, he's rubbing his face into the rug on the floor. Anyway, look at the glitter. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys don't know the original sparkly pumpkin scent, by the way, and the design, it's stunning. That makes me want to cry my eyes out. That is so good. That is so nostalgic. It's not even funny. Sparkly pumpkin basically, I believe, came out when I worked there, and I feel like when I smell a smell of a product that came out when I worked there, it really takes me back and it makes me just feel so nostalgic. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to try this. Low-key wish it was a big tub because I fear I'm going to use it really quickly. But that is incredible. This is my favourite thing so far. I absolutely am so excited to try that. So I love that. And last but definitely not least, we have got... Stop it. Stop it. Are you joking? I did not expect this at all. This is the Chelsea Morning Body Lotion. I fear I may bawl my eyes out. I am so excited about this. On this one it says, we've stirred our sweet, sunny and buttery perfume into a base of skin softening cocoa butter. And ingredients wise, this one has got cocoa butter, almond oil, we've also got lemon myrtle oil, we've got tonka, we have got vanilla absolute, we have got fenugreek absolute. I don't know what that is. I need to open it up immediately. I know what it's going to smell like, but we need to... Ooh, that looks good. Stop it. I love the smell of Chelsea Morning. Essentially, Chelsea Morning is like a very... I'm dribbling. I can feel myself salivating. It's basically a very foodie smell. If you like sticky dates and you like... using cocoa, yognog, and you like things like Honey I Wash the Kids, it's a very foodie gourmand smell. However, it has got lemon in it, so it almost has like a lemony sweet smell. I don't know, I need to just put it on my hand and just smell it because I feel, honestly, I fear this is going to be the best thing. I love the texture, very lightweight. Wowie, that's so good. That's actually delicious, and the texture is really nice. It's not overly like sticky and like oily, if you know what I mean. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. Wow. Do you know what? I'll be real. I didn't have high expectations for this month's box because I feel that between Halloween and Christmas, like the boxes don't usually have like a theme. They're very a mixed bag, do you know what I mean? But this box is so good. I am actually shocked. I'm shocked. So those are all of the items in this month's kitchen box. I would love to know down below, did you get the box? Did you skip it? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Also, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 13,000 of you, and I would love for you to join my corner of the internet. And also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a LUSH affiliate link, which is always linked down below. I basically earn a small commission every time time you use it and you buy anything on the website, you don't have to use it, but I do really appreciate it for any of you guys that have used it or will want to use it. I really do appreciate it. But that is everything. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Sometimes the waves, they keep on crashing in. Sometimes the rain, it never seems to end. I'll be alright.